Matt, Burney and I, we've been friends for a long time. He's been here at Marc Adams for quite a while and actually grew up, was one of the neighbor kids here. So we actually both started working at Marc Adams completely separately. He eventually moved out to Oregon, and we just became friends, and at some point he was like, hey, we should collaborate on a project. And we found this opportunity to do this a horse-themed piece, and he asked me if I wanted to kind of direct the design aspect of it. So came up with this idea to do a chess knight piece as a horse head, you know, with a base, a classic chess knight. And he said, great, let's do it. And our idea was to make it, you know, scale it up so this thing's 15 feet tall plus a little bit, and apply a different characteristic than what you would expect from, like, it could be welded up, but we wanted to have, we're both definitely in love with rivets and kind of this old school way of putting things together, like way old ships were built, where you have lapped sheets that get riveted together. So he was adamant, we've got to rivet all of this, and we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. So it was all hammered, hot hammered rivets. Most of them were hot hammered, or some were cold hammered, but most were hot riveted. And so we just started collaborating, and he did most of the production in his shop, and most of my energy was put up front into getting the design going, building a model, and helping direct the project to make sure it kind of stayed on tracks with the original design. And yeah, it's been awesome. We've come up with this really cool piece.